Okay, this time we will learn to speak how are you in Filipino language. Okay, first I'm gonna teach her. You say, kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka?
Oh, very good. Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka?
Yeah, kamusta ka? It means how are you?
Okay.
How about in
Kamusta
China?
Yes.
Difficult.
No, it's easy. 你好吗?
Ah,
Yes.
ni hao ma?
Yes.
Oh, kamusta
Good.
ka?
Kamusta ka?
Ni hao ma?
Yes, good.
Oh. How about have you eat your breakfast?
你吃早餐了吗?
Oh. Oh, have you eat your breakfast again?
你吃早餐了吗?
你
吃
吃
早餐了吗?
了吗?
Yeah, you can eat it. 你吃了吗?
你吃了吗?
Yes, it's even breakfast, dinner is
Ah,
also
it
just eat.
Just all meals.
吃
eat.
Yes.
你吃
了吗?
了吗?
Yes, good. 很棒.
你吃了吗?
Yes.
Okay, in Filipino you say, kumain ka na ba?
Kumain ka na ba?
Again, kumain
ka
na
na
ba?
ba?
Kumain ka na ba?
Kunain ka na ba?
Kumain ka na ba?
Kunain ka na ba?
Kumain ka na ba? Yes. Kumain.
Kumain ka na ba?
Yes, like that. Again.
Kumain ka na ba?
Yes, very good. Good. Next. How about where do you want to go?
你想去哪里?
你想去哪里?
你
你
想去哪里?
哪里?
Yes.
你想去哪里?
Yes.
你想去哪里?
Yes.
In Philippines, saan ka pupunta?
Saan ka pupunta?
Saan
Saan
ka
ka
pupunta?
pupunta?
Like that.
Saan
Ka
ka
pupunta.
pupunta?
Again.
Saan ka pupunta?
Yes, pupunta.
Pupunta.
Okay, you suggest what you like to learn.
What are you want to do?
What like what do you want to do?
Yes, what do you want to do?
What do you want to do? Okay.
你想干什么?
你想
want 你想干什么?
你想看 Again
干什么?
看什么?
Yes.
你想
干什么?
看什么?
Yes.
你想看什么? 你想看什么? What do you want to do?
Yes.
Okay. In Filipino, you say, anong gusto mong gawin? What's your reaction?
It's so long.
Anong gusto mong
gawin?
Anong gusto mong
gawin?
Okay, anong gusto mong gawin?
Anong gusto mong gawin?
Yes. Good, that's good. You have a score 10 out of 10. How about I want to go in your place.
我想去你的地方.
Wow, it's long. Place in China. I want to go in your place.
我想去你的地方。
Hala. It's So now I will end my video alone because my Chinese friend is not here anymore, and the video that we took earlier is being cut. Kay nga no, nikalit og ka-shut daw ng phone, guys. Bayot. Sheda. Sumara to siya. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.